Welcome to the CARPRO GForce application tutorial. Let's get started with the instructions. Step 1. Clean the glass thoroughly with CARPRO eraser. This removes oils, silicones, and polishing dust to maximize the bonding performance of the coating. Pour a few drops of CARPRO GForce onto the supplied cotton pad. Note that applying too much product may cause smearing. Apply the product in a circular motion in an organized pattern across the glass. Make sure the application is as even as possible. Rub in a circular motion until the haze becomes transparent. Wipe off any excess or haze right after application. You can also use more liquid on hazy areas to remove them. Wait 30 minutes and repeat the application to apply a second layer. Keep the surface dry for 4 hours and do not use the wipers for 24 hours. Thank you for watching the CARPRO GForce application tutorial.